When performing a text search in a large file, you can use the Find and Selection option to restrict that search to a specific region in that file. For example, here I have a long TypeScript file, and say that I was searching for editor. So I'll open the Find widget with Control F or Command F on Mac, just type in editor here. You can see that I have over 500 matches, almost 600 here, and it's highlighting all of the matches here. Now let's say I was just interested in the matches for editor within this interface. I can use the Find and Selection option to restrict my searches so it's just showing the options or the find matches that are found within here. So I'm just going to select this interface, the entire body here, then I'm going to go up into the Find widget. I'm going to trigger the Find and Selection option. So it's these three little bars here. I'll trigger that, and you can see that as soon as I enabled Find and Selection, it's gone from having almost 600 matches down to having 12. So it's restricted the search to just my current selection here. I can use the arrow keys to navigate through the matches within this selection. So I can just navigate through all of these. And once I hit the bottom here, it will actually wrap around and continue back into the selection. So instead of having those 600 or so matches, I have a much more limited set to deal with here. Now, once I'm done with this, all I have to do is go and disable Find and Selection, and it'll go back to having the almost 600 search results again. So now we're back to our original state. Find and Selection can be especially useful when you're dealing with large files, or if you only care about a term occurring within a specific region of that file. So that's a quick look at the Find and Selection option for VS Code's Find widget.